Placeit is your one-stop shop for mockups, logos, design templates, and animated videos. Maybe you're a t-shirt seller who needs mockups to show off your designs in a professional and realistic way. Placeit has thousands of apparel and digital device mockups that take just seconds to make. Try doing that with Photoshop. Or maybe you're a business owner that wants to make a great first impression with a brand new logo. Placeit has you covered with super easy to use logo makers. Create anything from restaurant to sports team logos and everything in between. Your brand never looks so good. If you need t-shirt designs, business cards, book covers, or even flyers, Placeit has your back with thousands of design templates and more being added daily. And we're just scratching the surface. Unlimited access to all this and more can be yours for only $29 a month. Placeit might just be the last subscription you ever need.